Jack Davis here with Joel Dutton, Dutton Auctions. Hey, we got another exciting opportunity for you. Joel, tell us a little bit about, first of all, where are we at?
Hey, we're down here in Navarre, Ohio. I just seen a Nichols bakery truck go right down the street there at Main Street. They'll be cooking some bread.
So how about that? But this auction's coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have two residential homes, and we also have this Buick Murano. By the way, we're just standing right underneath the walnut tree.
Hey, just a real nice lot here, but you can go online and get the information. Basically, the car here, this was attorney Bob Shedlar's. I've known Bob for many, many years. In fact, when he first came from New York, he bought a property in Richville with his wife, Donnie. But here's a real nice car. How many miles is on it,
62,000.
62,000, and I would bet, Jack, that most all those miles were just going back and forth because he taught up at Akron University. He taught business law, so he just drove back and forth a lot, just back to 21, and just a nice clean car.
Absolutely. That's tomorrow. The real estate is at 2 o'clock, and I think the car sells online only at 7 p.m. But we will be here on site at 2 o'clock for the real estate. You can bid online or bid in person. See you at the auction.